this demo video, I will show you how to download GPUCAD4AM repository from GitHub using download zip method and the installation of application from the extracted main folder. First, you type GitHub in Google search, then press enter. Open the main page of GitHub. In the search space, type GPUCAD4AM and press enter. You will see GPUCAD4AM repository under the username designed for additive. Click on the repository. You will see a green button with name code. Click on the drop down menu. You will see a download zip button. Click on that. It will start the downloading of zip file. Open the download folder. You will see the downloaded zip file. Right click on it, extract the zip file. Click on the extracted repository folder. Before proceeding to the installation process, you have to make sure you have installed the required dependencies. You can check the dependencies here. You have to install Vulkan, GLFW and CUDA before proceeding to the installation process. Once you confirm the installation of dependencies, then right click, open a command terminal within the main folder, then type make all and press enter. This will start the compilation process of all the definition files, CPP and CUDA files. The installation process is about to complete. Now the installation process has completed. You just type cd bin enter, then run the executable by typing /executable name, which is GPUCAD4AM. Press enter. You can see the application is ready for use. There is another method. You can go to the bin folder, click on the executable. This is another way of opening the application. You can use both ways to start the application. Now the application is ready for use. You can create the grid. You can choose the primitive modeling or lattice structures or optimization of structural as well as thermal.